So today, guys, wait, hold up. Sorry, guys, it's just because of my voice. Okay, so now today, what should we play? You know what? Let's play this drawing backgrounds. So in this game, if you don't know if you're living under a rock, I'm sorry if I make fun of you, but it's true because you should know this. So right now, so there is there's a Saitama, there's a Guru, there's Genos, there's Sonic, there's who's it called? Yeah, I'm just gonna call you by the name. There's a brutal demon, there's a bleed, there's a tonic samurai, there's Tansimaki, there's Suryu, and there's the crab boss. So in this game, you gotta pick one character, and you gotta kill some people to get kills. And then there is some kill streaks. I'll talk that in part 2, right? So let's just kill some people. Let me kill this guy. Oh, why are you running? Why are you running? How did I miss that? Boom. Bam. My God, bro, it's this guy. Okay, so I killed him. See now, guys, do not use the deadly ninja. I hate it. It's so annoying. If you use it, you are annoying. To be honest, it does. I'm telling the truth because you should switch to Hero Hunter, the strongest hero. Not channels. You can spam with the brutal demon, bleed master, wise physics, or martial artist. Those are the ones that you should pick. I'm about to kill this guy again. Boom, bap, bap. Like that. Let me kill the Namito. You know what? Let me kill this guy. How did I miss that? Oh, wait. He's actually good. Miss. Lol. Oh. Boom. Oh, no. Okay, he got me with that. No. Lol, miss. Ah. Nah, this guy's gonna steal my kill. Okay, thank God he didn't. Boom. Come on, give me then. My God, bro. Oh, he's getting him first. He's angry. Oh. Oh. So right now, guys, I'm going to end the video off here. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video in part 2. Bye bye, guys. Bye.